In this segment, I'm going to talk about how you can zoom in and out and basically move around your workspace. There's several ways that that can be done, and at the top we do have a drop-down menu, and so you could quickly go to a specific size. Like 25% would obviously zoom out, and if I wanted to get nice and close, I could go 200%, and I would get very zoomed in. So yeah, you have this kind of a drop-down menu list. We also have a tool here, and if I click and hold on the tool group, you see that there's several. So we have zoom in, zoom previous, zoom all, and pan. And notice when I hover over them and it tells their descriptions that there's a little letter with brackets. So zoom in brackets letter Z for zoom, obviously, and then zoom previous, which is F3, and zoom all, which is F4, and then pan, which should show us actually H. And so just as an example, if I turn on pan, it allows me to click and drag to move around the screen, and I can right click to, I guess, let go of that. If you type Z on your keyboard, it allows you to click and drag to zoom in. So there's different ways, and so those are called hotkeys. When you look at a tool and it shows you that zoom in is the letter Z, that means at any time if I type, so when I'm not using a zoom tool, if I type Z or Z on my keyboard, it will give me a magnifying glass which I can click and drag to create a box. If you want to just simply zoom to see everything, you can choose F4 or this tool here, and it will zoom out and show you all of the embroidery objects on your screen. So another way that I like to zoom in and out is with the scroll. I have a wheel on my mouse, and if I scroll away from myself, I get further away. And if I scroll towards myself, I get closer. And what you'll find is that where you place your mouse is kind of where it zooms into. So if I'd like to sort of move over the screen, I can move my mouse over here and zoom out, or move my mouse over here and zoom out. And so see the difference? How placing my mouse over here kind of helps to center everything. Now, if I wanted to center or zoom in over this star, I'll just click my mouse over top of that star and zoom in, and that's where it goes to. So different ways that you can use to get closer to your work and then zoom out and get further away from it again.